aim to make $500 to $1,000 a month per book that we publish. So if we have 10 books, right, that can be between 5,000 to $10,000 a month, right? We got 20 books that can be between 10,000 to 25,000 a month. Very simple. Here's another one of my students who's at just under $11,000 a month using the same formula. All right. Uh, Now, here's the thing here. Using what I've shown you, how long does it take you to find a best-selling Kindle book idea? How long did it take me just now? Now, of course, I'm used to doing this, right? So it's going to take me just a few minutes. It's going to take me maybe 4 minutes. But you can do this in less than 15 minutes, right? Would you agree? Think about it. If you've never done it before, absolutely. And you could do this for fact and fiction. So thank you, Shelly and Cheryl and Colleen and everyone else, Tommy and Lika, Felix, right? So yes, so you could do this in about 15 minutes. So now here's the other thing. The other thing is these are very typical Kindle ebooks, as you just saw. They're short in page length, 25, 35 pages, 10 pages. They can be created in less than a week. You could do this. You can actually do this in about a day, depending on the length of a book. You don't have to write them, and I'm going to show you how you can actually get your content created next. The covers cost very little, no more than $25. They're highly lucrative. You upload your book on Amazon one time, and how many times can you sell it? Is it like a physical product where you list the candle on Amazon, right? And you only have one candle. How many candles can you sell? If you only have one, how many can you sell? You only can sell one, right? But if you list your book on Amazon in this digital format one time, how many times can you sell it? Oh, awesome question. Someone just asked me, Kathleen said, Ty, does this work in with Amazon.ca? Yes, it does. Remember, Kathleen, you could be anywhere on the planet using any Amazon platform, whether that's Amazon UK, Amazon.ca, Amazon.com, or any of the other Amazon extensions that are out there and do this. Great question, though. So you could publish your book one time and you sell it an unlimited number of times, as Jennifer August just said, or Don Stokes just said, an endless number of times. Absolutely. Now, fact and fiction, again, right? You can publish both types. They're easy as far as design when it comes to the covers. They can be written really quickly. Now, what we're selling these for are super impulsive, profitable prices. We're selling these at price points that require no thought, right? So someone's not going to go in and buy a Kindle book for $4.99 and kind of think, well, do I buy this Kindle book or do I, not be able to pay my rent or my mortgage this month? So does that make sense? So you want really impulsive price points. And I go into a ton of detail on that. Now, here's the second step. We know what we should be modeling. We know that it's already selling. We know that people are buying it, right? We know that it's evergreen. Now, the second step is, how do you get like this piece of content created if you're not a writer? Now, if you're a writer, the obvious is you're going to write it. My wife writes a lot of her content. She can get it done in just a matter of days. I am not a writer. My first couple of books I wrote myself, they sucked. And then after that, I used this other process that I'm going to share with you. Actually, there's 3 ways to get your content created. So it's even easier than ever to get content created and super simple to get these short Kindle books written. We're actually at a period right now where you can get content created super fast. You can get high quality, and that's all you should be publishing is high quality content, because again, we're going after the long-term game here, right? We don't want to just make money in the short term. We want to be able to look back and say 5 years from now, like, I can't believe I'm still making money off of this book that I published. And that's where I'm at every single day, right? I see sales for books that I published 12, 13 years ago, and it's still making me money. So now here's the other thing. It's easy, cheap, and fast to get your Kindle book written. And the reason why is because we have a global platform, several global platforms where you can actually hire freelancers and ghostwriters at very economical prices to create your content. These types of books do